Robotics is the superpower behind every successful production. Robots can weld, paint, or mill,
They lift heavy loads.
or handle the most delicate objects,
They equip machines.
circuit boards, or pallets,
They operate in places where no human wants to be.
and reach areas beyond human capability. They withstand the cold.
Create no dust, and handle food with care.
They move a lot, but they never collide.
It's not just the hardware that counts. Processes, sensors, mechanics, drives, control systems, software, maintenance or procurement.
Industrial automation is complex. At KUKA, we make sure it never gets complicated. Start into robotics, but easier,
Set up your automation.
but easier,
Be the first on the market.
but easier.
Give your business more momentum with KUKA. Whatever you want to achieve,
Achieve it easier.
KUKA.
Making automation easier.